So today I was doing some kind of back testing. Like if you go for finance.yahoo.com or screener.com, there are a lot of tables that are possible to, if I want this table into Excel sheet, this is impossible from here. For that, I build an extension that converts any table in a web page into an Excel sheet. For that, I simply go to the extension page, load unpack, go to my extension page. What then this extension is? This is unpack them. So my extension is live, is working at, and now I can download it. Here's the table. This is the data from 2027 to 2025 historical price. I will simply download the entire data set. This is the data set. I will go with my testing pattern script. This is my script. I'll simply run it. This is the result. If my capital is 5,000, I will get that is 13,205, and the return is 164. Total rate 12, 100 is 66%, and here is the graph.